Happy almost New Year's Eve! It's not quite New Year's Eve, but I'm really excited that it's coming up soon. It's gonna be a new year. And we've got a fun experiment we're gonna do today. But first, I've got a joke for you. What is a cow's favorite holiday? New Year's Eve! So for our experiment today, we are going to be making fireworks in a jar. A little bit different than the fireworks that they have downtown, but they're not having those this year. So this is one fun way we can watch the fireworks, besides on TV. So stick around and we'll have some fun. So for this experiment, I'm going to use a mason jar, which is 3/4 full of warm water. And I'm going to use a scoop of vegetable oil, which is about 1/4 a cup. Now I'm going to use 2 different types of food coloring and just 1 or 2 drops max. I'll take a fork and stir in my bowl so I have lots of nice little bubbles. Now it's time to pour it into the water. Okay, as you can see in this experiment, the water doesn't like mixing with the oil, but it's really cool when the food coloring starts to enter the water. Kind of looks like fireworks. The kids also wanted to give it a try. They poured their oil into their small bowls, added a couple drops of food coloring, and once they had them, they gave it a stir with their forks. Now it's time to pour it in. Wow, look at all the colors. What a fun experiment. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. I hope you guys had a great Christmas. Happy New Year. See you next time. Bye.